Hello guys, we are so glad to have you back once again on this channel, just like always. And yes, on today's video we are live at the Township Stadium that is under construction in Ekwulobia. Yes, and this town happens to be one of the fastest growing town, or should I say a town turning into a city in Anambra State, Nigeria. And just like as you know already, there are lots of projects that are under construction in Ekwulobia at the moment, and even some have already come, or should I say a lot of these projects have actually come to completion. That's when we talk about road network constructions, when we talk about flyovers, when we talk about this particular stadium that you are seeing here, and also the rehabilitation of the general hospital in Ekwulobia, and a lot of other projects that are currently going on in this city. So guys, as it is today, this is the fourth largest city in Anambra State, Nigeria. And the thing is, this current administration has taken it upon itself to see that this city is actually developed to standard. So right now we are right inside the Township Stadium that's under construction, and already you have seen the perimeter fence, and also you have seen the major entrance into this facility. And also, apart from expanding and increasing the capacity of the grandstand, there is also an ongoing construction of the structure that will harbor the country club and even viewing centers right within this facility. So when we get to that side, I'll also show you the project that is going on. So it's not just only the stadium and the grandstand that's being constructed. They're also constructing a country club, that's a facility that's going to harbor the country club right within this facility. It is a very interesting one. This current administration is trying to give out its best to Ekwulobia town, and that is a very good one coming from this administration. I'm not just talking about Ekwulobia town. A lot of towns in Anambra, not excluding the capital city, is actually receiving a very wonderful touch from this administration. I must tell you, from the way this government or this current government is working, I would say Anambra is truly rising, just like I've said before now. A lot is going on within the city at the moment. So over here you can see the grandstand that is under construction. Yes, just like I told you before, now the capacity of this grandstand is also being increased, because this wasn't the initial thing that the government wanted to do, but as the project progresses, they foresee a need for the expansion of the grandstand, and that is why you can see this side also being added to the major grandstand. And it was done on both sides of this major grandstand, making it bigger and wider and also more beautiful. So this is what is going on right within this facility at the moment, and I must tell you guys, the contractors are also delivering a very good job on ground. It is so nice to see the quality of work that they are delivering on ground. This is a very good one coming from these guys, and also coming from the Anambra State government, talking about the Prophet Charles Soludo'S administration in Anambra State. At the moment, they are doing wonders, and I mean wonders. So guys, let's hear your thoughts, let's hear your ideas, let's hear your commendations, whatever it is you would love to say about this project. And also, if there are things you know about this project that we don't know about them, also do well to share with us on the comment section, so that we all will be on the same page. And yes, share your thoughts, please. Share your ideas, whatever it is you would love or you would love to contribute to this video, please kindly do that on the comment section. We can't wait to hear from you. And just in case this is your first time of coming across this channel, this is BlessingGodwinTV, and please, I urge you to make sure you subscribe to this channel, comment, share, and don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. We are live in Ekwulobia Township Stadium that is being constructed by the current administration in Anambra State, talking about the Prophet Charles Soludo'S administration. And this project was started from the scratch up to this point by this administration. It is quite commendable to see such projects being actualized or coming to reality, even though it's not been long this project actually started, but they have actually attained a milestone in terms of the construction of the grandstand, which is one of the basic thing that is being needed right within this facility. Also, like I told you earlier, there is also an additional construction going on within this facility, talking about the construction of the facility that's going to harbor the country club, viewing centers, and lots more. So that also is going on positively right within this facility. I will also take you guys towards that axis so that we'll see and look at what is actually going on, and also the way it is being handled. So over here you can see the massive space that is right within this Township Stadium. There was a time I did a video about I posted this video or this update not so long ago like that, and some persons were saying that it is quite small, like that it's not spacious enough. But let the camera not deceive you. Don't forget that normally I used to stand from a distance and zoom. Yes, sometimes I stand just like the way I'm doing now. I stand from a distance and zoom. Probably when I do that, you will think that it's just very close. It's not really close. It's a very big space. Like, this space is massive. The space in this compound is so massive. Okay, by the time they are done with this construction, you would see it clearly the way it is. So right over here, we are going to get into this structure that they are putting up over here. Yes, this is the structure that I was telling you about before now. That's where they are going to have the country club and a lot of other facilities right within the Township Stadium. So it's not just going to be an ordinary stadium, just like we used to have before now. This time around, they are putting up spies to it. Yes, and also if I'm not mistaken, this similar thing is also being done in the Alex Ekweme Square in Oka. Yes, this current administration is actually revitalizing most of the government facilities in Anambra State at the moment, and also adding up these facilities to this stadium will actually boost its capacity, the kind of people it attracts, and a lot more. Yes, it's going to actually make this facility a very important one, and also an active one, even though there is no football match going on or wherever. Yes, the environment will still remain active and very busy. So you can see clearly how far they have come on the construction of the grandstand. You can see the stage they have gotten to, and also I will take you guys inside this structure so that we'll see what it looks like from the inside. Yes, we are going to go around within this structure so that we'll see what they are doing right within this structure over here. So you can see the space. Yes, you can see the massive space along this particular spot here. Yes, this particular one might be housing a game house or whatever. I don't know what it's going to be used for, but as they progress, we'll also get more information about this project. So you can see also looking at the quality of work these guys are doing, delivering on ground. It's not bad. They are actually delivering a very good job on ground. Yes, they are delivering a very good job on ground. You can see the way the structure is being erected, all the processes involved. And I'm seeing a lot of pillars around here also. Probably it might be an upstairs, a story building or so. Well, this is much we could get you from the Township Stadium going on in Ekwulobia. And just in case you have also watched up to this point, I would love to say thank you so very much. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, comment, share, and give this video a massive thumbs up. Remain blessed and see you on our next epic video coming your way. Bye for now.